Welcome to Design Tutorial YouTube channel. In this tutorial we have to see this diagram which will be displayed on the screen. Before going to draw, please do subscribe and support this channel. Let's get into the video. Before going to draw, I just explain the diagram which will be displayed on the screen. This is the diagram where you have been drawn on the software. This is the section view, off section view. This is the top view. This is the section view of this portion. The outer dia should be 52, inner dia should be 45. The sweep portion, the sweep outer dia and inner dia should be 20 and 15. The distance will be 38. The extrude distance will be 5. Then the angle should be 60 degree. The height should be 10 degree. This angle should be also 30 degree. Let's see how to draw this diagram on the software. Let's get into the video. When you open the Autodesk Inventor software, the user interface look like this. We have to make part, so choose part. Now select 2D sketch. We want to make a top view of the sketch, so we need to select top plane. Now we have to choose circle. The circle dia will be 52. Give finish sketch. Now we have to extrude the sketch. The sketch distance will be 5. Just click OK. Now we have to draw the front view of the sketch, so need to select the front plane. Just zoom out and drag it. Now we have to make one vertical line, now one horizontal line. Okay, we want to make the edge will be sketched on. Now make the sketch fulfill. Now we have to make this one construction. Now we have to fulfill the sketch. Just close the sketch using the line. Now we have to assign the dimension. The height will be 10. The dia will be 10. 20 in Revolve, the dia will be 10. Now we have to assign the angle 60 degree. Now we have to make one parallel line, the inner cut revolve cut line. Just make parallel. Give the inner, cancel. Just give dimension 7.5. Right click OK. Now we want to make this one construction. Give finish sketch. Now make revolve. Select the center axis. The revolve will be done. Now we have to double click the sketch. Now make this one sketched one. Now visible the sketch before going to revolve. Now select the revolve cut portion. Select the center axis. In boolean we have to select cut. Now OK. See, the cut will be fully done. Now turn off the visibility of the sketch. Now we have to make the front plane. Choose front plane for the sweep sketch. Make sweep sketch. Make same. This edge will be a sketch one. Now make one vertical line, then arc, then one vertical line. Make this one sketched one. Now the height will be 45. Arc radius will be 11.5. This length will be 15. Okay, see, it's fully constrained. Now just give finish sketch. We want to make one plane with this line, the angled plane. Select the line. Just select the front view. Give the angle 30 degree. Now we have to create the sketch. We want to make this point will be a sketched one. Now the take 3-point arc, the arc radius will be same level 0.5. Make this one vertical, make this one horizontal. Now we have to do some horizontal line. Make the horizontal distance will be 28. Make those arc and the line will be a tangent one. Now click OK. Now we want to just hide, visibility will be off. Now we want to make the sketch with this face. Just click OK. Project geometry. Project the outer edge. OK. Now we have to sweep. See the profile will be selected. Now we want to select a curve. Just in boolean we need to select join. Just click OK. Again we want to make the inner cut, make inner sweep cut. Just project geometry, give the inner circle will be sketched one. Click OK. Just give finish sketch. Make the visibility on. Again we select the sweep inner section. We select curve. Okay, curve sketch will be not a visible one. Now we have to select the inner profile. Then the sketch we have to cut the inner portion. Now click OK. See the cut inside the composite pipe section. Now we have to disable the visibility of all sketches. Just OK. Now we have to create one plane, offset plane with this face. Offset distance will be 10. Just we have to create the plane using sketch. Just visible the sketched the just visible the inner sketch. We want to make what we do in the starting section. Make this one construction. Just click OK. Now give extrude reverse direction. Just click OK. We want to hide this plane. Just to rotate, select the place. Make the outer edge will be a sketched one. Just give hide others. Now we want to make one vertical line, construction vertical line. Make this edge also a construction one. Just click OK. Give show all. We want to make one plane with this line. Select that line. OK. Make sketch using the sketch. Now we want to make project geometry with this edge construction on. We have to do what we do in the first section of the Revolve. Just make one line. Okay. Just we have to find the center point. Just give the dimension 10. Okay. Again this line will be 10. Now okay, this will be a construction. Okay. Make all construction on. Now we have to assign the dimension. The angle should be 60 degree. Now we have to fulfill the sketch. Make one parallel line. Make those lines parallel. Assign the dimension from this point to this point. The dimension should be 7.5. Now make this one construction. Just give finish sketch. We want to revolve the face using this line. See, the revolve will be done. Now we have to double click the sketch. Make this one construction. Just give finish sketch. Turn on the visibility of the sketch. Now we have to make revolve. Select axis. In boolean we have to select cut. Now click OK. See, the cut will be done. Now we have to make upper portion. Just hide the plane. Now we have to select the offset from the plane. Select offset distance will be -55, -23. Minus direction indicates the reverse position. Now okay, we have to create between circle, these two circle. Just to make one construction line for finding the center point. Dia will be 8. Make this two construction. Just give finish sketch. We have to make off section view front plane. Just click OK. We will see the inner cut of the portion. Make this sketch solidity off. OK. Go to 3D model. Just give extrude. We have to choose to this face. Now the extrude will be done. Now we have to create circle. Just select the center point. Radius dia will be 5. Just give finish sketch. Give extrude reverse direction to this face. Just click OK. See, the maximum portion will be covered. Now we have to do sketch. Okay. A view of section. Okay. Now we have to create the hole. Just hide the plane or plane 4. Make a circle with the center point. The radius will be 45. Make this construction one. Now we have to make one circle. The radius will be 4, I think. Take circular pattern for the rotation of the circle. Select the circle. Now we have to select the center point. Number of pattern will be 4. Circular pattern will be 4. Just click OK. We have to make this one vertical. Okay, sorry. This one. See, now it's fully constrained. Just click OK. 3D model, give extrude. This one. Reverse direction. Just click OK. We have to do the same thing in this face. Just click OK. Sketch. Make the circle. Okay. Just give 45. Take the concentration. Select these two circle. Now it's okay. Make this one construction. Just give height others. Okay. Now we have to create same. The dia will be 4. Select circular pattern. Select the circle. Now we have to select the axis. Select the axis. The circular pattern will be 4. Just click OK. Now we have to assign the horizontal. See, it's fully constrained. Just click OK. Give extrude. This face, this face, this face, this face. Give reverse direction. The cut will be done. Just click OK. Now the diagram is fully done. We want to view the half section view. Just okay. We want to see the inner cut. See, the diagram is fully defined with inner cut also. See, we have to miss the fillet portion after we finish this diagram, so we need to do it now. Take fillet. The radius will be 2. Just select this edge. Now the fillet will be applied. Just click OK. See, the fillet will be done. Now this diagram will be done. Okay. Please do subscribe and support this channel, and thank you for watching.